She wasn't chasing followers, she was trying to survive. Turns out her answer was, grow something new. She started small, cold plunges, early morning chores, tending crops, talking to the camera through tears. Her TikTok and YouTube accounts became her journal. She wasn't chasing followers, she was trying to survive. But her honesty struck a chord. Videos like grief talk, breakdowns opening up, and starting tillage in the middle of harvest weren't just about tractors or planting, proof that even the smallest sounds and the quietest grief can echo far and wide.